Hello, this is Dr. Lee, 90 years old grandpa, 할아버지, talking English. After I released a miracle, the video, I got a number of comments and quite encouraged, particularly my son, who graduates from Harvard and residing at Seattle, Washington, United States. He said that his American friend that saw my video, and they said, "Is you your daddy? Can speak Korean?" I got quite surprised. And my son asked me, put some Korean words so that people know that you are native Korean. So now I'm going to make another story at Incheon. When I landed the Incheon city from Boreum-do, I got a shock because most of the houses and buildings were destroyed. Standing on the ash, 19 years boy thoughts two things. One, the war is a horror, and the outcome of the war is only misery. No more war on this land should be. That's what I thought. Another thought was, since so much destruction, what I need to do is to construct, not destroy, to build up, not to tear down. And then I thought I needed to apply this principle to human relationships. So I wanted to be more positive rather than negative, and more affirmative and agreeable person. That's what I wanted. With other refugees, poor people got into the empty house, and we started life there. And immediately next day, we started labor work at the harbor. So many materials came from U.S. Navy cargo ship, and they should be brought up to the land. So we worked for this kind of jobs. When I left my home in December, I put on very heavy winter clothes. Black and heavy clothes, Korean traditional clothes, 바지 저고리. And since it's becoming warmer, it was too heavy. I have to take a night shift working from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning. And I experienced one unforgettable event. One night, I was working at the deck. Airplane is circling around over our place, and I heard some strange sound, but it's something different. The sound is something different from I used to hear the American airplane. It's circling twice and dropped the bombs. I think 3 bombs, and then all of a sudden, shot. Cry in English words, and then all the lights is shut off. Then the American, they run for their life and then hide. I also run, and then I hide under the big 2 cargo. There was a 2 big containers. So I hide myself between 2 containers. The bomb exploded, and fortunately it was exploded about 5 meters away. And I heard that they say 2 American MP got killed by bomb. I felt really sorry. Anyway, we all hide there about 1 hour, and all clear up, so lights on, so people came back to resume our job. So once more again, I thought war is terrible, and the 2 American MP got killed. It just hurts my heart so much. I grieved for that. In the early morning at 5 o'clock, my job is finished. So on the way home, I went to the the container. So I look into it. I got shocked. The container was the bomb, full of bombs. And that container. What if the bomb dropped in there? Probably my body is disappeared. Anyway, it was, and so I thought it's really fortunate for me. And I may think this, maybe I say kind of another miracle for me to survive during this very difficult situation, awful situation. Okay, once more again, war should not be on this land. Let me tell you in Korean. 인천의 상륙에서 그 모든 집들, 건물이 다 폭탄으로 디스트로이 됐는데 참 참혹해요. 그래서 그 잿더미 위에 서서 19살 때 생각을 했습니다. 전쟁이라는 건 비참하다. 절대로 다시는 이 땅에 전쟁이 나면 안 되겠다 하는 생각. 둘째는 너무나도 파괴가 되어 있어서 앞으로 내가 할 일은 더 이상 파괴가 아니라 건설해야 된다. 빌드업 해야 된다라는 생각을 했어요. 그리고 이것을, 이런 원리를 인간관계에다 적용을 해야 되겠다. 그러니까 인간관계를 가질 때 상대의 마음을 아프게 하거나 헐뜯거나 그러지 말고 좀 더 긍정적이고 affirmative, likeable person이 되자, 좀 긍정적인 인간이 되자 하는 생각을 그때 했어요. 그리고 일하면서 그 적기에 폭탄을 맞아가지고 미국 MP 2명이 즉사를 했다는 소식을 듣고 참 아팠어요. 마음 아팠어요. 제가 우크라이나에서 전쟁을 하고 있지만 다시는 이런 전쟁이 있어는 안 되겠다 하는 생각을 가졌고, 그리고 좀 더 내가 부지런하고 긍정적이고 그리고 좀 열심히 일하는 인간이 되겠다 하는 결심을 그때 했습니다. 이번에 좀 쑥스럽고 좀 부끄러운 생각이 들었지만은 그래도 이걸 했더니 많은 분들이 격려의 말을 보내줘서 뜻이 있구나 하는 생각을 가졌고, 그래서 격려를 보내준 여러분에게 감사를 드리면서 앞으로 몇 번이라도 좋으니 좀 더 만들어서 보내드려야 되겠다는 생각을 갖습니다. 대단히 감사합니다.